You only have hours left to learn how you can use the most advanced funnel building and marketing platform on the planet for free, and save thousands and thousands with a lifetime Groove membership. You have to hurry. The lifetime membership is only available until February 22nd. Then it will be gone. Period. In this video, I'll show you how to open a free account without a credit card, and I'll explain why you should be a lifetime member to literally save thousands. I'll give you a bird's eye view of all the services Groove has to offer, and, if you stay to the end, I'll describe the amazing bonus package I've put together for you. Groove is the fastest growing funnel building platform on the planet. Once you purchase a lifetime subscription to Groove, you'll never have to pay Groove again. Better yet, you can ditch paying monthly fees for autoresponders, funnel builders, video hosting, help desks, e-commerce, Shopify, webinars and more. Groove helps over 550,000 website owners to increase sales, engage visitors, collect leads and more. Groove can help you save your valuable time and money with ready-to-use solutions and templates to grow your business faster. Using the Groove platform, you can build blogs, websites, and funnels, e-commerce stores with shopping carts, membership sites, manage your own affiliate programs, run your email marketing campaigns, conduct webinars with live streaming, virtual conferences, post your videos, run your help desk, and that's not all. Each year you can save over $27,439, because you don't have to use any other platform. One platform, one mission. Groove wants to break through the barriers of entry that stop most people from starting an online business, and that's lack of funds and lack of education. So, not only do they offer software to run your complete online business, but they also offer training and a massive e-learning library. To join for free, just visit the link below and enter your information. You won't be asked for a credit card. Whether it's your first dollar, or millionth, your entire business can be powered by just Groove. Join the best community in the world. Learn everything you need to generate more traffic, leads, sales, and revenue using Groove in the Groove Digital Academy. If you can't find what you need there, simply ask in the Facebook community of over 126,000 members. Right now you can join Groove for free, without needing a credit card, by visiting the link in the description below. Here are just some of the things you can do with your free account: build sites and funnels with unlimited pages, add as many pages as you need, and more as you grow. Web pages, landing pages, upsell pages, and more. You can use their conversion-focused templates that take minutes to edit. Free custom domains so you can brand your affiliate links, tracking links, affiliate sign-up pages, and checkout pages. Unlimited bandwidth and hosting, you don't have to pay more money as you get more traffic and grow. Hundreds of design blocks, elements, wireframes, you can get your pages up quicker, easier, and focus on getting more sales with Groove's no-code design blocks, elements, and wireframes, pop-ups, countdown timers, progress bars, and more. Sell unlimited products with one-click upsells, downsells, and order bumps. You can sell unlimited products to an unlimited number of customers without worrying about your software cost going up. Using the world's most powerful affiliate program, you can manage and communicate with unlimited affiliates, and share promotional tools with them, making it easier to sell your product and remain in control of your brand. Use Groove Mail, a powerful automated, behavioral-based email marketing based on tagging. You can deliver the right messages at the right time to increase conversions, build relationships, and grow your business. With Groove Member, you can create a membership site within minutes. You can drip content, gate content, offer free or paid levels of access, and more. Powerful video marketing built right in with Groove Video. You finally have the power to modify and edit videos, plus add automations based on user behavior, without spending extra. Join for free and take a look around. You'll find tons of templates you can edit to build landing and opt-in pages. You'll find over 190 templates for one-click websites. When you join for free, you are automatically a Groove affiliate, and you can earn commissions for promoting Groove. When you upgrade, you can get paid for 2 tiers, including 40% commission for every direct referral for life and the second tier of 10% commission for every referral your referrals sign up. That's an incredibly generous affiliate program. Now is the time to join for free. You have until February 22nd to upgrade to a lifetime membership for a one-time payment, or over several payments. After that date, it will cost $299 per month, forever. If you join for free through my affiliate link in the description below, I have put together an amazing bonus package for you to explode your affiliate commissions. Join for free now. Upgrade before February 22nd, and enjoy saving over $27,000 every year. Brought to you by Biff Bartholome. I'll see you on Groove.